Now what you notice, right, is with all four choices, they are written as the product of two binomials. In other words, what they're asking you to do in this problem is factor this trinomial, right? Let me write it a little bit bigger so that you can see it. X squared plus 5x minus 6. They're asking you to factor this, right? Something that you probably spent a ton of time learning how to do in this course. Probably a little bit frustrating, right? Now, one of the nice things about this trinomial is that it's got a leading coefficient of 1. And I bet most of you learned that therefore what you're really trying to do is find two numbers that have a sum equal to the number that's multiplying x to the first, which is 5, and have a product that is equal to the constant term in the trinomial, which is negative 6. Now, if we're looking for two numbers that have a product of negative 6, one's got to be positive, one's got to be negative, right? So your first thought is probably 3 and 2, but the problem is I need to have those two add to be equal to a sum of 5. Now, you might say, well, 3 and 2 add to be a sum of 5, but 3 plus negative 2, that'll be a sum of 1, and negative 3 plus 2, that'll be a sum of negative 1. So the two numbers that actually work, that actually have a sum of 5 and a product of negative 6, are going to be positive 6 and negative 1, which means the correct factorization is x plus 6